Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Shai-Lights. Today I'm here with a candle day haul from Bath and Body Works and a couple other hauls of things I didn't really get to mention, like my Ulta haul that I did for Black Friday, my e.l.f. haul that I did for Black Friday, and a early Christmas present that I got. So let's get straight into it. So for candle day, you guys know that I love Bath and Body Works. That's like a given. Half of my content here is about Bath and Body Works. So when I found out that they're gonna have candle day, I'm like, this is my time to pick up some candles, because I always have a bunch of candles, but I don't know, this winter I used them up pretty fast. Like, I think I only have one full candle left of all my fall stuff, of all the fall candles that I got this year. So it was about time for me to restock on winter candles, and just candles that I had been looking forward to or that I wanted to try out. I went in the store, I smelled all of them. My sister and my mom also went, and they also got 6 candles each. I only got 6 candles, but let's hop straight into it. This year I really tried to stick to like just scents that I liked. So I happened to pick up 3 Christmas scents, which it wasn't like super like, oh, I need to pick up Christmas scents this year, because like they have semi-annual sale, which they're taking forever to start semi-annual sale. Is there gonna be a semi-annual sale this year? But for semi-annual sale, they do put the Christmas candles on sale, so I have another opportunity to get Christmas candles if that's what I want to do. But yeah, I focused on more like scents that are like basic and that typically don't go on sale too much when they have semi-annual. So I'm gonna get straight into it. Let's start with Under the Christmas Tree. This is like one of my favorite Christmas scents that Bath and Body Works has, because I find that a lot of the Christmas scents are like sweet cookie, like a little too piney sometimes, but I don't really like Merry Cookie. I don't really like the gourmandy scents. But this one I feel like is like the perfect mix of pine and gourmand in a candle. It's like not too much pine, not too much gourmand. So I really tend to always pick up this candle for Christmas when there's semi-annual sale, or if I just feel like I need to get a Christmas candle. And the scent notes for this are fir balsam, juniper berries, vanilla eggnog, and sage leaves. So that vanilla eggnog really adds like a gourmandy type of feel, but it's not too much. You still get that balsam and the sage in there, so it's like a really well balanced piney gourmand scent. So it's not too piney, but it's not too sweet, so it's like perfect. Yeah, I absolutely love it. Every year I pick up this scent, whether it's in a wallflower or a candle. I just love it. I feel like it's such a good mix of both scents, and it's a pretty simple scent. Amazing. If you see this in stores, smell it. Next I got, this is, I got Christmas Road Trip. Now this is one of the first ones that I smelled. It was literally in the front, and I was just like, this smells good, and I picked it up. This one is Crisp Mountain Air, Iced Bergamot, and Warm Amber. So you do get that like crisp mountain air, like that crisp fresh scent, but then you get that warm amber, so it's like a little bit more sensual and warm. I really do like it. This one doesn't seem like it's gonna have too much projection, but lately I've been having like issues with my sinuses. I don't know if it's because I overly do it with all the scents that I buy. I mean, I own a ton of perfumes, I own a ton of candles, I put on body cream every day. I don't know if it's like scent overload, but I really have been liking more simplistic scents. So this is more of like a fresh, clean, but warm scent. It kind of reminds me of like Santorini Coast or like Tiki Beach and Sunlit Glow. It has like that type of vibe, like very cashmere-y, soft, a little milky. Smells good. So this one is Christmas Road Trip. And the packaging is cute. I like the packaging. So those two were the only two Christmas candles I picked up. I could have sworn I picked up more, but only 2 Christmas candles this year. Next, I got, this is Laundry Day. I typically always pick up sun-drenched linen, but I really wanted to try something different that also smelled clean, because I always picked up sun-drenched linen. So I wanted to try something that was similar but not exactly like it. So this is Laundry Day. It has crisp eucalyptus, lavender, and fresh air. And it smells like laundry detergent. Like laundry detergent, literally. Like, I use Gain. It kind of has like a Gainy smell, but if Gain had like more of a fresh, clean note to it, but it kind of does smell a little bit like Gain. I don't know, lately I've been liking a lot of lavender, eucalyptus scents, so this was like right up my alley because it has both. And it smells similar to sun-drenched linen, but I think sun-drenched linen is a little sharper. It has like a little more crisp note. This one's like a little lighter, so it probably will be less offensive to the nose, because I found that when I light sun-drenched linen, my boyfriend is always complaining about the smell. He says that it smells like Clorox, like it has like a little bit of that kind of like feel where it's like a little bit too detergent-y. So I wanted to see if this one was going to be a little bit different. So that's another one that I picked up. I'm excited for this one because this one's like fresh and clean and perfect. And then I have, along with the lavender theme, we have lavender bergamot. This one has bright lavender, bergamot zest, and vanilla bean. It smells so good. It almost smells like lavender vanilla, but a little different. So I'm excited to try that. And then I have, this is their new one. They came out with it this year. They brought it back. This is brown sugar and fig. Now I love this in a body care, so when I saw this I knew I had to pick it up because I love this scent so much. It just smells so good. I love like fig scents, so this was right up my alley. And it has fresh fig, coconut milk, and caramelized brown sugar. Like, it smells so good. I'm scared that this one's not gonna have much projection, but like I said, that's something that I don't really mind. As long as I can smell it a bit, I'm okay. So that's that. And then last but not least, for the Bath and Body Works candles that I picked up for Candle Day, we have Eucalyptus Mint. Now this is pretty self-explanatory. It has fresh eucalyptus, sweet spearmint, lemon zest, and clary sage. It smells like eucalyptus spearmint, which if you watch my channel, you know that that's been like my scent of the year. So of course I had to pick it up in a candle. All right, now moving right along, because my battery is like on 2 and I don't want it to die and then have to switch out batteries and things like that. I picked up an order from Ulta, but it didn't get here on time. But I got the Le Monde Gourmand collection that they had in collab with the YouTubers Shai-Lights, and there was another girl, Paloma Sanchez, I believe. I picked those up because I was like super excited. I've been watching Shai-Lights for some time, and a lot of the scents that she mentions that I like. So when she said that she came out with a fresh and clean scent, I'm like, this is perfect. I've been loving fresh and clean scents, and that's right up my alley. But when I got them, both of them, there's like a Thé de Goyave, and then hers is like a fresh clean scent. It's like Bisou de Flores, something like that. I hated both of them. I don't know what it was. It had like a note that was unbearable to me. The only way I could describe it is like Patron tequila, that alcohol scent that Patron tequila has, those perfumes had, and I just couldn't get over it. To me, it didn't smell fresh and clean at all. It just smelled super floral and like flowers, like actual flowers, but like that are about to die. So honestly, still love Shai-Lights as a YouTuber. It just wasn't up my alley, and I knew that I wasn't gonna wear it, so I just returned both of them. Also, Paloma Sanchez, hers, I was excited to try hers because I heard it was like a fresh, juicy guava scent. So I thought it was gonna be honestly like the Sol de Janeiro 48 or similar. No, no. It was like if you put a little tiny bit of guava in a tea, which it does have those notes, but I don't know. To me, the way people were describing it online, I thought it was about to be like a fresh, juicy scent. That's not what it gave. So I returned both of those back. But I also picked up this Maximal Sleek Satin MAC lipstick in Fleshpot. I have it on right now, and I have it paired with this Morphe Oral Flirtation. I think this is in the shade Fresh Fig. Yeah, Fresh Fig. So this one, I believe it's supposed to be a dupe for the MAC lip liners, which is why I picked it up, because I heard that this is a dupe for, I think, like either Root for Me or one of those super popular shades from MAC. So I decided to pick it up because I've been on a lip liner kick and I needed an Ulta order to be like 75 bucks. So I picked up this. I think it was like $3, so I really can't complain about that. And like I said, I picked up Fleshpot from MAC, and I currently have these two paired on my lips. I have the Fresh Fig lip liner, and I have the Maximal Sleek Satin in Fleshpot. So I have been liking it. For some reason, I thought Fleshpot was gonna be a little bit lighter on me. It is a little bit lighter compared to the shades that I have, but it's not like a concealer shade. I really wanted that light lipstick to go with like my lip liners, but it's alright. I also got Pink Peppermint, but that got back ordered. So next, I have a couple of e.l.f. stuff that I got off TikTok shop because I had a 50%. So the e.l.f. stuff that I got are the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in It's Giving Guava, and it's just like a really cute like mauvey pinkish shade. I haven't tried this yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be fab. Then I got this e.l.f. soap brows because I got the Page Vine ones off of TikTok, but honestly this one says it's matte, and I prefer more of a matte look because when I do use the Page Vine ones, sometimes I use a little bit too much and I feel like the product accumulates there. Then I have to go back and retouch it with a little bit of foundation. I did a get ready with me video recently, and if you watch the tutorial, well, it was like a get ready with me unpopular opinion. If you watch it, it like accumulated a little bit here, and I really didn't like that, and it also leaves it a little shiny. So I wanted to try this e.l.f. soap brow one because I heard it was matte. And then I got this e.l.f. MintMelt Cooling Face Primer. I just thought it would be good. It has mint, why not? It says it has a cooling sensation, and I just needed to pick up a primer, so I decided to go with this one. And I got 50% off of those on the TikTok shop, which is why I got them. And then I also got 50% off of this brand, which I've been loving. This is the Colorgram Fruity Glass Tint. This is in the shade Sulky Leechee. I wanted more of a pinky shade because the one that I got is kind of like brownish orangey, and I really like that one. Like, I really like the way it looked. I feel like it has more color payoff than the tier ones, so I picked up the Sulky Leechee in hopes that it'll be more pinkish. This one I think it's like a little too bright and purplish, but I did like how it looked. I wore it today in my unpopular opinion video that I came out with recently. So I do like this brand. I'll probably pick up more in the future. The only thing I'm struggling with a little bit is the shades, like getting the right shade that I want. But I do like these. The color payoff on these are better than the tier ones, but I like both brands. So next, I got an early Christmas gift. My family, like, you know, we're very big on Christmas, but we're kind of like those type of people that like gift early because we just go to like the mall together and we just get it out the way. I like to ask what my sister wants. I don't like to guess because, you know, we both have a lot of stuff, so we just like to be like direct, like, what do you want? And we go to the stores with each other, and if she tells me she wants something, I'll get it for her, and if vice versa. So she ended up getting me the Ariana Grande Mod Vanilla gift set, which I did ask for. She got this from Ulta, and it just comes with, it comes like this. It comes with like a big size. and it came with a little one, but I gave it to her so she could have it. She also gave me, she got love notes, so she gave me like the little mini for love notes. It's right there. She gave me the little mini for love notes, so I gave her the little mini for Mod Vanilla. However, this scent reminds me of a scent that I already have, so I might just return the gift set and get something else, because it reminds me of Kyre Felicity. I wore it today on a ramen date with my boyfriend, and I noticed right off the bat, like, this smells just like Kyre Felicity. But Kyre Felicity to me is a little bit stronger, and it has a little tiny bit more of a floral note than the Mod Vanilla. The Mod Vanilla is a little bit more vanilla, but they smell almost identical. The Ariana Grande version just smells like a lighter version. So because of that, I think I'm gonna go to the store and return it and get another one. I'm thinking about switching it out for either Pink Woods by Ariana Grande, because I smelled it with my sister and I got her the gift set and I did like that one, but I thought that it was a little similar to the scents that I already have, or Cosmic by Kylie Jenner. But I really have to go in store and smell them again in person and decide which one I'm gonna swap it out for. Or I might do Mod Blush, because Mod Blush does have a little bit more of like a different turn, but it just smells too similar to the scents that I already have, so I think that that's gonna go back. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. This one was like a bit more of a shorter one, but I feel like that's necessary sometimes, so that's perfectly fine for me. If you got any candles from Bath and Body Works for Candle Day, let me know what candles you're liking, so that when I go in store, I'll smell them and I'll give them, you know, a try and see if I pick up some for semi-annual sale when they have it. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you have any recommendations for me, like perfumes and things of that sort, please let me know down below. And thank you for watching my video. Like and comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time with another video.